everyone, in this video you would be learning how to do calligraphy with a basic pen, pencil or even a sketch pen. Calligraphy with these basic supplies are called as faux calligraphy. So let's quickly get into the lesson. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. In calligraphy, all upstrokes like these are thin and downstrokes like these are thick. So basically, add another line parallel to the first line and fill it inside. With this concept in mind, let's form letters. Now I'm writing the letter A. Now let's closely look into the letter A. It's an upstroke and then the oval has a downstroke and then it ends with another downstroke. So both the downstrokes should be thick. Make sure you follow the thickness throughout. And it's done. Try all the alphabets in the same way. Now let's quickly write a word in for calligraphy. When you write a word, make sure you write it at a slant. And now I'm done with my monoline lettering. Now it's time to make all the downstrokes thick. And now you've learned for calligraphy. If you try this out, put them on your Instagram story and tag me at dream.pen.calligraphy and I would love to see them. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon. Thank you.